And then so for parents that are new to homeschooling, why is an evaluation needed? And then what are the benefits of it?
So legally in Florida, an evaluation is to prove that the child is being educated, that those compulsory attendance laws are being met at home. So realistically, it's just to prove that the child's being educated, that you're not sitting at home letting the child just, do whatever, puts away their time. The point is that once a year, they're just checking in to make sure, yes, this child is continuing to be educated, they're moving along. If you decide to stop homeschooling, then they want a final evaluation just so they can know that things were going successfully, and it helps them if the child is going into a school, helps them with placement. If the child's finished, if somebody were to ask them, did this person, homeschool successfully, it gives them something where they can say yes. So for example, my oldest son graduated recently and has enlisted in the military. Well, the military wants to know, was he successful? So that's one of the things that they've done is asked, for proof from the school district that, hey, was everything okay? And in his case, everything was fine.
And then for you as an evaluator, what does the evaluation review entail?
So under Florida law, there's supposed to be 3 kinds of documents that people keep. There's supposed to be some kind of a log of educational activities and titles of reading materials. For some people that's in the log, for some people that's separate from the log, and then samples of work. So I want to see some of those things just to make sure that everything's okay there. And realistically, what I'm looking for, according to the law, is evidence of educational progress commensurate with ability. And the commensurate with ability part is important because that means if the child starts off way behind grade level, that's okay as long as they are moving forward. So I know some people may have a child who has special needs and the child's really behind, and they really worry about the evaluation process. But as long as the child is learning and moving forward, it's not a problem. And I've seen a lot of kids who were incredibly behind, and usually homeschooling helps them, get back to where they should be so much more than what was happening in schools.
So you're really looking for progress, more like a progression, that they're improving and that they're...
Correct.
And it's not like you have to meet that 3rd grade level work, as long as you're showing progression from beginning to the end of the school academic year.
Right. According to Florida law, you don't have to tell the school district a grade level when you homeschool, and the school district cannot assign a grade level. And that's important because it means that in the evaluation, grade level standards of the public schools can't be used because you can't assign a particular grade level. So, what they're looking for is progress. They're looking to see that the student is learning and making progress from wherever the student began.
And I think this is going to be really helpful to a lot of people because a lot of people, like you said, are scared and they're thinking that they have to meet that certain guideline. And I'm hoping that this video will allow them the opportunity and, go through the district and do the evaluation for their own benefits because, like you're looking for progress. It's not like, you're failed and, they have to go back to school. That's not the case. And that's not the point of it anyways, because most of us homeschool to kind of give them that one-on-one opportunity to kind of succeed as opposed to be put in like a group and then just, put them in the pool and just, make them, come kind of swim.
Homeschool Panda, created by homeschoolers for homeschoolers.